Hello guys, and welcome to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add edge glitch transitions in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, go over to the Effects tab over here and select an adjustment clip and drag it above your clip over here. Next, go over to Open FX over here and search for Edge Detect and drag it above your adjustment clip over here. Select your adjustment clip, right click on it, scroll up to change clip duration and change the value to 1 and select change. Next, select this clip and hold down Alt and drag it to the left to duplicate it, and hold down Alt and drag it 2 times forward to duplicate it once more. Next, select the center adjustment clip and go over to Inspector. Under Inspector, select Effect and under the Edge Detect, reduce the value for gamma to the extreme end. The next thing you need to do is to bring in a glitch sound effect and cut the glitch sound effect to end at the extreme end of your adjustment clip. And that's it guys on how to add this edge glitch transition in DaVinci Resolve.